It's August the 13th in London, and the sound that you can hear is just pure rain. I don't know if you can see down there. It's a few cars. It's really raining. I don't know if you can see the rain against the skies. And it's just pure rain. And it's been really, really hot all week. And now it's just raining. Listen. That's really heavy rain. It's been thundering and lightning. You see that rain against the car lights? Oh, I love the sound of rain. It sounds like the world's being washed clean of all its evils. And the smell of it when it's stopped raining and you can just smell the earth. I'm going to go out for a walk. I absolutely love walking in the rain. Doesn't that sound nice? It's really heavy as well. I'm waiting for the next lot of lightning. I can't even see Docklands. The rain's that heavy. It's the rain clouds have like come down from the heavens. It's almost as if they're just sitting above my head. London town on the 13th of August, and it's been hot. Oh, did you see that? Oh, let's have a listen. I'm on the balcony at the moment, as you can imagine. Let's have a listen. Shh. Oh my God, isn't that fantastic? I think the best night that I ever had, I was on my own. I was in Treviso, in Italy, heading towards Palermo, and I'd stayed the night in the B&B place, or the pension, right next to the station. And Treviso, I think it was, or Trieste, no, Treviso, I'm sure it was Treviso. Just outside Venice, and it was a really old building built around a quadrangle. Anyway, that night it never rained, but there was an electrical storm, and all the rooms came off this quadrangle, and the garden was in the middle of the quadrangle, and there was an opening in the roof. And I went out onto the landing and stood looking at the sky through the opening in the roof, which was quite wide, and just watched the sky and the lightning and listening to the thunder. And there wasn't any rain at all, but it was a fantastic lightning storm. Absolutely fantastic. I was all on my own. I was in my 30s. I'd been downstairs. I was only there for one night because my train was going to Palermo the next day, and it was a night sleeper train. And I'd flown in, and it was the reason why I'd landed there is because it was the cheapest flight. It worked out cheaper to go to Palermo via there with the train. So flight from London to there, and then from there to the train. I thought I'd go and have a look at Venice as well, which I did do when I came back. I stayed there for one night on my way back and went to look at Venice, which isn't smelly like everyone says it is. Well, lots of people say that in the height of summer it's really smelly, but it wasn't, and it was in the height of summer. It wasn't smelly, it was very nice actually, very pleasant. I caught a train in. Oh, did you see that? Let's listen to thunder. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, Trevis. Anyway, earlier on in the evening, I'd booked in, got my room, and gone down for a coffee in the bar cafe area, and a young English couple booked in, a bit hippie type. They was travelling to Greece, and they'd got the same cheap flight as me. Not that I'd seen them on the flight, but they'd got the same cheap flight and the train the same as I'd done. And anyway, he said that he was a fire eater and he was going to earn his money from doing street entertainment. They was heading towards Greece. They was going down to I can't remember where it was, where they was going to, but they was going to cross over. Where was it? I can't remember. And anyway, he took some liquid out of his bag and was going to show us how to do fire eating. And he put some of this liquid in his mouth and lit this stick that he took out of his bag, lit it up and put that in his mouth. And spit out this liquid. Well, he spat it out. The stick was alight, and he spat it out, and it all caught alight. And but the problem is loads of it dribbled down the front of him, and it caught him alight as well. So what was meant to be entertainment ended up with me and his girlfriend leaping on him, trying to put him out. Yeah. Oh, Brindisi. That's where they was heading towards. Brindisi. They was going to cross over on the ferry from Brindisi, cross over and then head to Greece. And they were going to be street entertainers, and that's how they was going to earn their fortune to live there. So, yeah, good luck to them. I was on my way to Palermo to meet up with friends and business meetings. And, yeah, Palermo. E parlare italiano, no, molto italiano, e parlare poco italiano. I love the rain. Oh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. I was standing on the balcony once in a stormy night, and the lightning actually hit the balcony because it's a metal balcony. And I just jumped back. It's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. And the rain is beginning to ease off a bit now. Can you see that? Look. See the spray? Hear the whoosh of the cars as they travel through the rain. It's slowing down now. You hear it. Oh, and it's cooled the air. Oh, it's been so hot here. Too hot. Right, well, I've got to take Remy dog, that's my old dog, Oh, I miss Ren. Shame I didn't know you when I knew Ren. She was lovely. Such a good dog. Kobe's a lovely dog, but he's young. Remy was old and mature, and you didn't have to tell her off for anything. She didn't pull you about, and you could take her anywhere and she wouldn't run away. She didn't need a lead. Unlike Kobe, as soon as he sees another dog, he wants to run away or pull you along. Does me a brain in sometimes. I can only hope he calms down as he gets older. He has calmed down, obviously, since he was a pup, but oh, he's still hyper, man. Anyway, we need to go for a walk because he hasn't had a poo yet. He's had loads of pees. I've taken him out 4 times, but he ain't had a poo. So I've got to take him for a poo. So, bye-bye. Love you lots. Don't forget, love yourselves more. Ciao.